Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back. I'm back with a new video showing you different ways and different methods to make money online. So in this particular one, I'm going to show you two ways to earn $10 PayPal money over and over without experience and without skills and also without investments, okay? So by the end of the video, you're gonna know two ways to make $10 PayPal money, okay? What is it and how it works? How do you get paid? How much money can you make? And also, how much time does it take to make money on those two websites? Okay, so again guys, this is my channel. I'm making videos showing you different ways and different methods to make money online and to do whatever you want whenever you want. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you always stay informed whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so let's get started. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9 to 5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. The first one in our list is Offer Nation. This is a survey website, and I know guys that you know already that there are a lot of surveys websites and that you can make money through surveys. But for this one, okay, for this Offer Nation, surveys is one of the main ways to make money online on the platform. Okay, so that means that there are other ways to make money, and I will show you that later. Okay, the site has a good amount of these opportunities. If you click, for example, on one of those, you're gonna see how many opportunities you have to make money online. Okay, so the tab here, like you're seeing here, that will show you a list of portals, and each one of them is a way to make money through surveys, for example. And for this one, Offer Walls, you have a list, and each one of them you can use it to make money. So those are Offer Walls. Okay, there are a lot of ways to make money on this website, and this is why I'm talking about it in this video. Okay, so just be aware that all these are third-party providers, which means that in many cases you will have to fill out some basic information about yourself again the first time you use a portal. Okay, all of those are portal, all of those are third-party providers. Okay, so sometimes you will have to fill out some basic information, and also you will be able to find out what is called an offer wall on Offer Nation. Okay, this is what I'm showing here exactly. So here you can earn in several ways. Often there are offers where you can get a bonus by signing up for free trials for a service, and there is a small section with PTC ads, paid to click, where you can get paid to click ads. You have to click an ad and then watch it for a certain amount of seconds. The rewards are very low for this, but you also do not have to do anything. Okay, the PTC section on Offer Nation does not have a lot of ads, but you have a lot of opportunities to make money on the site, such as referring friends, downloading apps, welcome bonus, promo codes, contests, and so on. Like you're seeing here, rewards on contests. Like you're seeing, there are contests here, $1,000 cash contest. You can apply for this, or you can take a look at rewards, payment proof. Okay, if you want to see for yourself payment proofs. I mean, I tested this myself. It's not a scam, and as you know, I'm not going to introduce a scam in my YouTube channel. And this is how you can withdraw your cash, gift cards, and how you can see your balance. Okay, and if you have any question, you can find the answers on the help section here. So this is the frequently asked questions. Okay, you can just click here and see for yourself. If you have any question, you can find the answer here. And this is the home page. So basically, once you click here, you're gonna see the profile, the promo codes, how to refer a member, and if you want to log out from your account. Okay, so cash can be paid out through PayPal for this website, Payza, Skrill, and also for Bitcoin if you have a Bitcoin wallet. So the minimum threshold for PayPal and Skrill is only $1. However, for a Bitcoin wallet, that will take like $100. Okay, so you need $100 in order to withdraw your money through Bitcoin. Okay, so the pros about this website is low payout threshold, so you don't have to make like $50 in order to withdraw your money. So this is a good thing. The second good thing about this website is that it pays out through PayPal, so this is a great thing for a lot of people out there. Okay, and also the third thing, which is something that a lot of you are looking for, it's available worldwide. So a lot of people, I mean most of the people worldwide, can apply to the website and start making money from this day. Okay, about the cons or about the negative things of this website, can take a bit of patience to qualify for tasks and not mobile friendly. Okay, so this is not a good thing. So it's not flexible. You just have to do it on a laptop, and this is not a good thing actually. Okay, so this is how the website looks like. To sign up, it's very easy. You just have to click on sign up. So this is the main interface of OfferNation. So this is how it looks like once you type in offernation.com. Okay, if you want to join the website, it's very easy. You just have to click on join free or sign up for free today. Once you click here, you will be directed to another web page, and this is what you're gonna see. Register for free. It only takes 60 seconds, and what you have to do, guys, is to fill in all the blank cases here. Okay, this is exactly what you have to do. Type in your first name, your last name, username, the password, your email, confirm it, the address, the city, your country, and so on. Okay, just fill in all the blank cases here. So the sign up process is very easy, and also you will be, once you do that, you will be directed your account, okay, your account page. So you don't have to go to your Gmail account or your email account and confirm your subscriptions. So this is the first one in our list. So now I'm going to go to the second one. So the second one is Gift Hunter Club. Okay, this is how it looks like. So this is another cool website where you can join and start making money. So I just want to know, have you heard about Gift Hunter Club and want to know if it is a legit survey site and that worth joining? Well, if you didn't, this is good for you because I'm going to show you exactly what this is about. So this is, as I said before, a GBD website, which means get paid to do. Okay, so this is a GBD website where you can do different online activities and earn gifts. This is the reason for the name. You are hunting gifts. Okay, so this is why they name it Gift Hunter Club. It's not much different from many other similar online reward portals, but it is just calling out to hunter gifts instead of calling it a paid survey or GBD sites. The opportunities for earning gifts on Gift Hunter Club are paid surveys. Okay, exactly like the last one, like OfferNation. You can do paid surveys, which means you can take paid surveys, and this is one of the best ways to earn at Gift Hunter Club. The site does not have its own surveys, but gives you access to a lot of third parties surveys. Okay, so this is the first way to make money on the website, and it's not the last one because there are other ways. Okay, the second one is OfferWall. It's exactly the same thing like OfferNation. If you're familiar with survey sites, you will also know that many of them have an offer wall, and Gift Hunter Club also has this option. It is a place where you can earn from a long range of different online activities. And also, there is a third way to make money on this website, okay? Tasks that doesn't need any skills. So it is done through Figure 8 if you already know what this is. So it's a Crowdflower, okay? But you will get the money into your Gift Hunter Club account and not from Figure 8. There are in general a good amount of tasks available, but be aware that in the beginning you will only have access to tasks that give very small rewards. If you continue to take these tasks, you will eventually be able to qualify for higher paying tasks. Okay, and the fourth way to make money on the website, on this particular website, is weekly and daily bonuses. So Gift Hunter Club gives you guys the opportunity to earn a daily and a weekly bonus. So if you have a certain activity, to get the daily bonus, you only need to make at least $2 in a day. And if you do that, you will get an extra 20-cent bonus, and you can get this bonus every day as long as you reach the $2. And also, you have another way to make money online, and this method you can see it in other websites, so it's not a unique thing. You can invite friends, okay, and once you invite someone, you will get 10% of whatever they earn. And the last way to make money on this website is by contests, okay? It's exactly like OfferNation. They have contests, so Gift Hunter Club also have contests, okay? And this particular website offers a couple of free contests you can participate in as a member. So there is a tasks contest and a referral contests. Okay, so there are two types of contests that you can participate in and start making some extra money. So as a member, you will automatically participate in these contests. The referral contest gives an extra reward every month to the 10 people that have invited the most new members to join the platform. So this is why you have to start inviting other people, because once you invite other people, you can just make money by not doing anything, by just sleeping, okay? Once they are doing the work, you're just gonna make 10% of whatever they are making while you are not doing anything, okay? And also, you're gonna participate in contests and make a lot of money from that, okay? So this is why this website is great, because it offers a lot of opportunities to make money, not just surveys, not just inviting friends, not just contests, but you have a lot of ways to make money. And as you know, diversification is a rule if you want actually to make real money, okay? So I'm not saying that you can get rich by doing this. You're absolutely not gonna get rich doing this, okay? Because of the low payout, to the time, okay, or compared to the time that you're spending on it. So it's not gonna make you rich for sure. But you can make some extra money if you have some free time. So now the question is, how do you get paid? Every time you do an activity, you will earn cents. Okay, so it is pretty easy to figure out exactly how much you earn when you join. You will get 75 cents as a joining bonus, okay? In general, 1 cent is of course worth 1 cent. However, it depends when you want to withdraw your earnings. You can request a payout when you have earned $5. If you want, for example, cash out through PayPal, you will have to spend $5.3 to get $5 into your PayPal account. But if you wait to withdraw until you have reached $10, you will get the full amount. A little bit strange, but it makes it worth considering waiting to withdraw until you have earned $10, okay? So just put this in mind. And another cool fact is that you can use the mobile to do surveys and other things from Gift Hunter Club on the go. And this is another positive thing. And another cool fact is that you can use your mobile to do the surveys and other things from the websites on the go, which is another cool fact, which is something that you won't get with Offer Nation, okay? So how much time does it take to make money on the website? Well, as with any other survey site, this is a very difficult question to answer. There are many aspects that come into play. First of all, the country you live in, as the amount of opportunities is greatly affected by your location, okay? So if you live, for example, in the United States, you're not gonna get the same opportunities like someone that living in India, okay? It's not the same thing. So who can join Gift Hunter Club? Well, anyone that is 14 years old can join the website, so no matter what country you live in, you can join, okay? That doesn't, however, not necessarily mean that there will be any opportunities. Some countries will have more opportunities than others. This is exactly like I said before. For example, for someone that living in the United States is not like someone that living in India, okay? So now let's talk about the pros and the cons of the website. So first of all, the pros of the website is the good amount of surveys and offers. This is actually a great thing. The second good thing, or the second positive thing, it's open to all countries, which means that this is a worldwide method. The third thing is the good payout options, and they have actually a lot of payout options, and they have diversified ways to make money online, not just surveys, okay? But there are actually another cons or another negative things about the website, of course. First of all, sometimes difficult to find surveys you qualify for, which means sometimes you will just waste time finding the good opportunities for you. The second negative thing is you have to pay a fee for a cash out at $5. I mean, you're just spending a lot of time just to make that $5, but eventually you will have to spend a little bit more just on fees, okay, to get that $5, which is something that I don't like actually. But if you don't want to pay the fee, you just have to wait to get the $10 and you won't pay that $0.3 fee. So this is the second website, Gift Hunter Club. If you love it, you can join it. If you want to go to the website, I'm just going to leave the link in the description box so you won't waste your time, okay? So again, if you have any question, just make sure to put it in the comment sections. I will just answer them whenever I see them, okay? And like always, thank you so much for watching this video, and let's see you in the next one. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want, whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box.